You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very long name. But that was his full name, better known as simply Marquis of Condorcet or Marquis de Condorcet. His full name, though, was Marie Jean Antoine Nicolas de Caritat, Marquis de Condorcet. Marie Jean Antoine Nicolas de Caritat, Marquis de Condorcet. In English, you can say it as Marie Jean Antoine Nicolas de Caritat, Marquis of Condorcet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.